Hey Measuring Hero, Jay here. Today we came all the way to Birmingham in the UK to visit the MACH show, but I'm not going to tell you about it. I'm going to let Paul begin to tell us about what it means to return to live shows. Let's go talk to him. Okay, so to help us set the stage for what MACH is Paul, Head of Sales and Service here in the UK. Paul, thanks for your time.
My pleasure, Jay. MACH 22 is the biggest exhibition opportunity for companies in the UK involved in manufacturing technologies and from all sorts of industries, automotive, aerospace, medical. I think what's interesting is particularly where this event is. It's in Birmingham. So whilst it's the home for the National Exhibition Centre, it's also the centre, the Midlands in general is the centre for automotive and aerospace manufacture in the UK. So a lot of the visitors who come here are from companies that we would all recognize, like Jaguar Land Rover, Rolls-Royce. Of course, we have links with Formula One. So it's a really good opportunity for us as an organization to showcase the portfolio in an area where many of our customers are. And something else that I think is really exciting is for the last couple of years, there's been a lot of uncertainty about manufacturing, and I'm talking prior to COVID. You probably remember a Brexit story, which created a lot of headlines, but it also created a lot of uncertainty for manufacturers and exporters here. Of course, the Brexit question was in some ways answered, but immediately followed by the global COVID pandemic. And this continued to leave a real depressed state for industry in general and manufacturing in particular. Of course, there are still some global economic challenges, but there's also a real sense of awakening. And what we're starting to see, not just in our business, but also in the number of people who are attending shows like this, how that interest is now translating into an appetite for people to grow their businesses, resume their manufacturing, and increase their own capabilities and productivity. So a lot of people are here looking at new technology and, interestingly, new solutions. And of course, one of our strengths at ZEISS is our ability to solve problems. So on our booth here, we have a real mix of I won't say product, I would say solutions that help people in manufacturing solve problems. So we've got optical systems, we've got tactile and non-tactile systems, and software solutions.
That's great. Well, Paul, thanks for the overview. I'm gonna pop in and have a look at the booth.
Enjoy.
All right, appreciate your time. All right, so to take us through the booth is my old friend, David Shute. David, it's been years and I finally get to see you in person.
It has been a long time.
It has been. How have you been?
I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, looking
slightly older.
Yeah.
Lost a couple of years of my life, but
I think we all are older.
We are indeed.
It's good to see you in person. You're looking well, and the booth is bustling.
It's absolutely brilliant. Absolutely, it's great to be back after 4 years.
Yeah. Can you walk us through
of course, no problem
how we're organized?
No problem. What we've done this time round is we've subdivided it into different zonal applications. So we've got the aerospace zone here.
Okay.
We found it good because our customer base, they know exactly where to go if they've got a particular interest, as opposed to wandering around the stand. So as you can see, we've got the Contura, we've got some aerospace components here, all running from our flagship software, which is Calypso. Multi-sensor system. I think everybody who's watched your vlogs in the past have got a fundamental understanding as to what that's all about.
Yeah, I love that dot scan. I love it. I love talking about it.
All of our bells and whistles on a system that's a mid-entry system. You don't need to buy flagship anymore, but yeah, customers are loving it. Then we move over to here. This is the beginnings of our medical zone. Prismo system, everybody knows about the Prismo system. Got ZEISS on there, very sexy piece of kit. With the Rotos system, yeah, surface contact measurement. Mid-CNC program, do I need to say any more? It's the Verity, super accurate, super machine. Medical industry loves it. Moving around here, again, enabling us to accommodate a different part of the manufacturing process. Admittedly, this is a demo system, but this is representing the Scout 6 system, CT demonstrator. Got a really cool virtual representation of how our CT systems work. Lots of customers here looking at that. Got a cool PlayStation remote that people can interact with. Excellent, very, very good. Then just coming inside here, this is the ends of our medical zone. Spec 543, again running with Calypso, using non-contact technology. That's the big thing for this show. Everybody's interested in measuring things, but they don't want to touch them anymore. Good stuff. Moving into e-mobility, I think you've covered this in an earlier vlog, but we've got some of our microscopy equipment with the Smart Zoom 5, Visioner 1, and this is really cool. We're running a live link back to our SEM in Rugby, so we can actually power the SEM from here. Customers are really liking that. That's a CAN demo at the moment. Another area that's key in the e-mobility sector is actually getting the cars to move. So we've got a fuel cell bioplate here, and we've also got a motor stator housing just here. So again, we've basically stitched it all together.
Nice.
Yeah, telling the complete story.
Nice.
Yeah.
I love how we reorganize into just kind of competency centers.
That's it.
And not products. It's pretty cool.
No, it's good. It works really, really well. It's the first time we've done it, but as I said, the messaging's clean. It's clear for the customer base. Yeah, great.
This is fun stuff.
This is very, very fun stuff. This is GOM, our new partner. Carrying on with the automotive theme. As you know, we partnered with Williams 2 years ago. This is half of the Williams race car from last year. What this enables us to do is using the hands-on metrology T-Scan Hawk. Customers coming over, they can get their hands, get touchy, feely, scan the parts, get a visual representation of what they're doing on the screen, get an appreciation of that as to how easy it is. Working really, really well. Lots of people have an interest in that. We've got a demo piece here, which is the nose cone. This damage here was actually caused in one of the Grand Prix races.
Really?
It was indeed. What we were hoping for was a bit of synopsis on who was driving the car at the time and what they hit, but they didn't give us that, unfortunately.
Say nothing. I know nothing.
As you can see here, we've got the Aramis system. That's a very popular system, very clever stuff going on there with regards to stresses and strains within components. I don't profess to be an expert, but it's all cool stuff. One of the Atos Qs here, what we have is it attached to a collaborative robot arm. So again, you can automate the process. All of the relevant data being projected and evaluated in our GOM Inspect software with a rotary table. Again, running the flagship volume inspect software. Demo center here, and then we've also got the larger Atos 5 system, and you can see we've got an aeroplane door that we're scanning that enables us to basically represent the software capabilities. And it brings us back round to some video blurb around the Williams partnership, and you can actually see Latifi's race suit from last season. Yeah, cool. Yeah, very good.
Cool. All right, David. Once again, my friend, it was so wonderful to see you live and in person, and we hope we can do this again.
Thank you very much.
Yep. And good luck at the show.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon.
Good.
We hope you enjoyed our little tour of the MACH show and a little look at our booth. We hope that if you get the chance to visit us at a trade show, that you take it. But for now, don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.